Why does someone else's car horn sound when the lock button is pressed? And your car doesn't have this feature? In fact, it's because you don't know how to set it. Today, I will teach you how to set. We press and hold the lock button and unlock button on the key at the same time for 3 seconds. After hearing the horn beep, this function is set. From now on, you only need to press the lock button and the horn will sound. Do you think this feature is just for fun? You are wrong. This function has 3 functions, especially the third point. Save lives at critical moments. Quickly double-click to collect. First, when you cannot find your car in the parking lot, press the lock button and our car horn will sound. At this time, you can easily find your car according to the sound. Second, when we park the car and leave, we always worry that the door of our car is not closed and locked. Can't sleep at night. Actually, when they parked and locked the car. If you don't hear the horn, it means you must have one of the doors open. When we hear the horn, it means all 4 of your doors are closed. At this time, you can leave with peace of mind. Third, when we set up this function, after locking the car and leaving, if your vehicle is subjected to unusual vibrations, or when someone opens the door illegally, the vehicle will alarm crazily to scare off the bad guys. How about it? Is this function very useful? Follow me to learn more car knowledge.